Hi, so long time no see. So nice to see you. So I'm here to conduct an interview regarding your research. So is it okay for you if I ask some questions? So by the way, who are you?
Okay.
First question. So can you tell us your research background and your expertise?
I'm Jason Manasa. I'm fourth-year college student from the IBIC. Our research was entitled the level of grading comprehension of a college students. It's a qualitative research and defended last week.
So you're already done.
Yes.
Defended. Congrats. Next question. So, what are your best practices when starting your research project?
First is preparing myself para pagpapaan and preparing and then preparing my mind para
So, is it that important? So, how do you choose your research relevant and impactful topic?
we choose our topic through observance or surveys.
Like how?
Kung saan makita na kumausap,
Ah, so, by means of society, sa palikod. So, how do you ensure the accuracy and credibility of your research?
we ensure credible reviews.
So, the tools. Okay, so the tools you use was
If it question,
different questionnaires. Okay, so it's the basis of your credibility. So, what challenges did you face during research and how did you overcome them?
most of the time the challenges is
Financial crisis. So, how can you consider financial crisis?
rent, the paper,
The things, the materials needed in research. So, you consider this a challenge. So, what ethical consideration did you prioritize in your research?
respecting the idea of others like para na sila yung makabag or na sila yung maambag ba
So you consider ethical consideration is respecting the idea of others for them to contribute. So what is your advice to the aspiring researchers?
don't give up. Kaya ra ninyo, kaya ra sa kanila mo. Kamu baka laban.
The last question for you, Ms. Jason. So what skills do you think is the most important that successful researchers have?
Mindful and critical.
Why you consider it as the most important skills?
Mindful and critical thinking.
So why?
Para makapokus tas thesis and then
Thank you, Ms. Jaisal, for your time. So I appreciate your effort. I know you're busy, especially with Thank you so much.